Okay, so here's how you can buy seeds in Schedule 1. So first of all, you have to go to your messages, and right here you have to look out for your supplier, for your Albert Hoover. Right here you have probably just one option for the moment. Probably this one. I need to order a dead drop. Then you can select your seeds you would like to order, place order right here, and then you will get the message. Should be ready in around 5 hours. And down here you have the message that this guy already got the money from us because I deposit all the time some money in his stash right here to not pay him like again and again after every order. So you have to go to Dan's Hardware, which is right here on the map on the top, and then you put in money and you can order again and again, and then we will see us when the order is dropped in a stash on the map. Okay, so now we just got the message that we have the drop available behind the motel office. So you can check on the map again where this drop is. So as you can see, this is probably your current room, hotel room, and behind this office now is the drop with the seats. So let's get real quick right there. Take your skateboard out and drive to the storage, and right here in these small stashes you will find the delivery. Then take it out and go back to your room. Don't make these mistakes in the first mission in Schedule 1. If you want to find out, click on this video for a few tips for the first 5 minutes of the game.